What are earthworms and where do they live? Earthworms are small, soft-bodied animals that live underground. They have no eyes, no legs, and no bones, but they're super important. You'll mostly find them in moist soil, in gardens, forests, and farms. They love dark, damp places where they can dig tunnels and hide from the sun. Earthworms live almost everywhere in the world, except in really dry deserts or frozen places like Antarctica. These little wrigglers are always at work beneath our feet, helping the earth stay healthy. Why earthworms are called nature's ploughs? Earthworms are always digging and wiggling through the soil. As they move, they make tiny tunnels, just like little underground highways. These tunnels help air and water reach plant roots, which makes the soil loose and healthy. That's why farmers and gardeners love earthworms. They're like living ploughs, constantly turning and mixing the soil, without using any machines. And the best part? They do it for free, 24/7. How earthworms improve soil health. As they tunnel, they loosen the soil. This lets air flow better, just like breathing for the roots. Earthworms eat dead leaves and tiny bits of plants. They poop out castings, yes, worm poop, that are super rich in nutrients. It's like natural fertilizer. In compost piles, worms speed things up by breaking down food scraps and plant waste. They turn garbage into black, crumbly, nutrient-rich soil, called vermicompost. So yeah, they're kinda gross, but in the best way. How earthworms are good in farming and gardening. Earthworms are a farmer's and gardener's best friend. In gardens, they help plants grow faster and healthier by keeping the soil loose and full of nutrients. In farms, their tunnels let water soak into the ground better, which helps crops during dry times. Some farmers even raise special worms just for composting, called vermiculture. These worms turn kitchen scraps into powerful, organic fertilizer. Less chemicals, more natural goodness, all thanks to the humble earthworm. Let's explore some fun facts about earthworms. Earthworms have no eyes, but they can still sense light and vibrations. They breathe through their skin, so they need moist environments to survive. Some species can regrow parts of their body if cut in the right place. Earthworms have 5 hearts, yep, 5. A single worm can eat up to its own weight in soil every day. They can live up to 8 years in perfect conditions, but usually less in the wild. Tiny, silent, and super helpful. Earthworms are secret soil superheroes. So next time you see an earthworm, don't say, you, say, thank you. These little wrigglers are working hard under the soil to keep our planet healthy. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature facts, right from the ground up.